Hey everybody, welcome to the MOD Opti user guide. This is a follow-up to the install guide, so if you haven't done that yet, please go ahead and do that. First, open up MOD Opti Project Scanner. You'll be then presented with your sign-in screen. This is the same sign-in that you would use on the website. Don't forget about the Remember Me button so you don't have to put in your information next time. You'll want to click Profile, and then select your Unreal location, your project location, and your map location. For the first time, Unreal will open up very quickly and then close, and that's to go ahead and segment each one of the cameras into its own individual map. After that, Unreal will open up each one of those maps and profile them. This is what it'll look like on the MOD Opti side, and this is what it looks like inside of Unreal. Occasionally, either the MOD Opti tool or Unreal will cause false profiling information. You'll be alerted of this within MOD Opti, and then it'll reprofile that scene for you. Once everything's done, you'll be presented with this screen, and this is where you'll want to go ahead and select either your test data or your stages profiling data. All of that will then be sent up to our servers or to your local node so that it can go ahead and simulate what the frame rate would be between the two differences. Once all of that's done, you'll then be alerted as to what the outcome of the situation is. In this specific case, we need to go ahead and optimize. And sometimes only one camera will need to be optimized, or a couple out of the bunch. As you can see in this situation, only one of one is being optimized of camera total 2. And this is where you'd like to select your hero assets so that they don't get optimized. Next, you want to select either get a report or optimize. We're going to go ahead and optimize the entire scene. Unreal will then quickly open up and export out all of the assets that need to be optimized. That data will then be sent to our servers or to your local node and then processed. Once that's done, you'll be asked to download the data. Click on the download button. And all of that data will be imported into your scene. Unreal will open and close a number of times depending on how many assets that you have. This isn't something to be worried about. And it's normal information. Go ahead and close out the tool and then open up your scene. The one thing that you can see here is that there's a new mod folder. Inside of that mod assets folder, you'll see each one of the camera's data information inside. Inside of there is each one of the assets that were optimized and their textures right next to them. Materials live in the material folder that's above. Let's go ahead and take a look at one of the assets. As you can see, there is no visual difference between the optimized asset and this final asset that you see here. I'd like to thank all of you for watching this whole video, and I hope that each and every one of you have a wonderful week.